Tahi, rua, toru, whā, pukana. Kia ora koutou e te whānau e mātakitaki mai ki tēnei whakāturanga Kiimai Mäori Aoitepö nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai. Ko te umuari ki tēnei e mihi nui ki a koutou, kei tō kāinga, kei tō wāhi mahi, kei o kura, aha ko kei hia, anei te mihi nui ki a koutou. Katoa. Hey whānau, if this is a picture of me looking at you, looking at me on that laptop, you've come to the right place. Come back here to have a mihi ki a koutou. All those who joined us last term and throughout the year with all the mahi we've been doing in the communities and the workshops and the different classes. Anei te shout out, anei te mihi nui ki a koutou. Nau mai haere mai hoki mai. While I'm there, have a shout out down there to Pedros and Piata and Whaia Kararaina in the house. Ka pai koutou, good to have all the whānau on board and some new faces joining us throughout the term. This is just a quick shout out to our last term. Hasn't the year flown? The last term coming up shortly, another 9 or 10 week program to run out. Hey guys, feel free to jump on board with me, get yourself onto Zoom, jump on board with me and have a 30-minute wānanga face-to-face, ko au, ko koe, ko ia te wāhi ngaro, just us. Have a little wānanga, have a kōrero about what's good for you, what's not good for you, see where you're at with te reo, see if you can do with any api, you can api mai api atu, tātou e. Hey whānau, have a look out next term also, be putting up some new clips, some new tutorial clips to support our mahi. I think some people think that's all we're doing, but as you know, there's other mahi. Those clips are just supporting the mahi behind the scenes. Someone saying to me, hey, what's the use of learning to count to 10 in Māori? I said, oh, well, you come along to class and I'll show you. There's plenty of worth in it. And the colours, and there's a lot of other things going on too. So we've got about 3 or 4 different structures going on. We've got Te Reo Mihi Mihi program. Ask about that. We've got Te Reo Rangatira. We've got Kanohi Te Kanohi, online wānanga, and specific professional development and other classes going on as well, pertinent to your workplaces and community work groups as well. So that's it, whānau, quick shout out. I'm not going to make it too long, just a little quick one, just a big heads up for next term. Jump on board with us, contact me through the Facebook, through the YouTube. The YouTube I'm using to build up our restricted links for our classes. As you know, as you've been seeing there'll be restricted links. There's the public links that everyone's sharing, that I'm having fun sharing all that with everyone, and also some tauira or restricted student links relative to your relevant classes that you're doing. So the good thing about the YouTube is it keeps it all in one tidy place where we can put together some playlists relevant to your kupuhau, your kiwaha, your whakatauki, and so on and so forth. So looking forward to another term with you guys. Hey, that's about enough for now. Go hard or go home, or if you're already at home, have a good moi and catch you up tomorrow. Mauri ora whānau. Woo!